When you plant a seed, you plant a dream, a vision, something bigger than yourself. When that vision is nourished by deeply rooted, principled behaviors, the dream starts to grow. Its beginnings are small, even simple, but as it continues to reach towards the heavens, it becomes steadfast and immovable. Unicity has such a dream. Through Unicity's Make Life Better Foundation, we are providing a better tomorrow today for thousands of children around the world, giving them the tools they need to succeed and, most importantly, the hope they deserve. Unicity's products are unsurpassed in their excellence. There's nothing like them in the entire world. They are tested, proven products with the power to help people live longer, healthier, and happier lives. Our dream is your dream. To have the freedom to live the life you've always wanted to live, to make the world around you a better place for everyone, and to be part of something much bigger than yourself. Unicity has a dream, and the dream is beginning to grow.